Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat is in my lap, as always. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. She's purring at you. She's just a purring, just to go into town. Just a purr, 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 purr. Y'all, I've got you at a different angle today. I've put the light up a little bit because I'm trying to reduce the glare on these glasses. Anybody else got any suggestions about reducing the glare in the glasses? Because I know y'all don't like to see that. It's bad enough it's on the windows. But today we have a Boxycharm. Ooh, we love Boxycharm makeup and goodies. Oh my. Now, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty box. They send you beauty items, makeup items, accessories, things like that. They have a few different options. You got the base box, which is what I get. They send you 5 full-size products for $27.99. It's supposed to be up to about a $210 value. You get to pick one of those 5 items. Now you can go up a tier and get the Boxy Premium, where you get 6 full-size items for $39.99. You get to pick 2 of those items. Then they have a third one, which is a nice big one, which I do love. I do get that one as well. It replaces my base box every 3 months because it's a seasonal box. So seasonally, the Boxycharm Luxe comes out. You get 8 full-size products for $59.99. A quarter, you get to pick 2 of those. And if you would like to try Boxycharm, I do have a link below. It does help me out, and I really appreciate it if you use it. I'll put a referral code over here as well if you just want to go to boxycharm.com and put in all these lovely letters they give me for, to say, hey, this is where I heard about you. Anyway, so let's just open this box. So I was out of town this weekend again. I think I told y'all I was going to be out of town most of the month of November. And I was not kidding. Every other weekend I have been out of town for one reason or another. This weekend, it was because it was my son's 24th birthday, and I got to see my boy. My sister was supposed to go too. I actually have 2 sisters, but one of them couldn't go. And we had to call her and tell her not to come because there was a little bit of a sickness issue going on, and we didn't want to expose. It was not COVID, y'all. Not COVID, so don't think that. But anyway, we didn't find out about it until we were all together. Nobody else is sick yet, so keep praying that we will not get sick. If I disappear, that is why. I shouldn't disappear, though. I try to film to where I can get everything out to y'all. So, Boxycharm. We had so much fun, y'all. My son did go hunting with my dad. So, it's muzzleloader season. Please don't come at me. My son did shoot a deer. I did help dress it. My mom's freezer went out, one of them big box freezers. So we had to get another one delivered, move a bunch of stuff around. So we had a really busy weekend, but it was fun. And I was so glad to get to see my son. I love my child. So here we go. Boxycharms. It's giving giftable glam. And on the back is everything that's in here. Ooh, I see Luna Magic. Reuse, y'all. Use this for your color switch when you're using your brushes. And of course, I reuse boxes and things like that. I store stuff in them. I use them in my mailer sometimes. Those are a little small for the giveaways I do. But if you've ever won one of my giveaways, you know what I mean. Okay, let's just go through here. The first thing on here I see is Oprah Cosmetics. Oprah Cosmetics Face It Midi Palette. So that is this. I do like Oprah. It is a very nice brand. This says, bring your vacay to you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzes, perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. The MSRP on this is $35. Kind of made it sound like it was a summer thing with the bring your vacay. Let's see what it says. I don't see anything that says any particular color. It says West Key, Star Island, and Let's look at this. I do have a few OFRA things that I've gotten in boxes. Some of them are very pricey. It does have a full mirror on it. Let's see. And there are your 3 colors. Look how pretty that is. That is lovely. I normally use cream bronzers and cream contour, but look at that. Oh my goodness, that highlight is just to die for. I do use these sometimes when I'm doing more of a powder look, than look how pretty that is. Very pretty. All right, I like that one. Next is the Briogeo Fig Renewal Oil. Briogeo. A nourishing dry oil that offers complete skin renewal, resulting in silky soft and effortlessly ageless skin. Unleash your inhibitions with the intense delicacy of the tantalizing fig. Every drop brings forth a replenishing burst of protective antioxidants. The intoxicating fusion of wildly fresh fig, jojoba oil, pro-floral concentrate, and omega-rich superfoods revitalize and nourish for youthful plumping dimensions. The lightweight finishing oil easily absorbs into the skin, leaving it ever so soft to touch. This is a $72 value. Okay, so it's an oil. I don't use oil super a lot. Warm a few drops in your palm of your hand and apply over your face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing and before and after moisturizing. Okay, before and after moisturizing. Salad infused beauty. It's salad infused, y'all. We don't have to eat our salads anymore. We can wear them. Oh, look at the bottle. It's super cute. Little glass pinkish bottle with the little round knob on top. Very adorable little bottle. Gold accents. And it's just a dropper. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop. It's a stubborn dropper, but cute for a shelf. Oh my goodness, cute for a shelf. Okay. I don't love the smell. I don't. It kind of reminds me of a weed. Is that what figs smell like, y'all? I don't remember. I don't think so. It's very light. It would go away, but yeah. Interesting. Interesting. I am just that weird, you know. My mama's got fig trees. I just don't remember them smelling like that. Anybody else get this? What did you think of the scent? Comment below. Tell everybody else because this girl's confused. Next, we have REALHER. This is the Metallic Eyeliner Duo. Oh, cool. I actually just ordered some metallic eyeliners. Oh, I wonder how they'll stack up. This creamy, buildable formulation glides without tugging or pulling at the eyelid. Suitable for any eye color, its metallic finish is also waterproof and will last on your waterline. Create defining lines or smudge to finish off a smoky look. Wear alone to add the perfect pop to your eye, or use to complete your look and accentuate eyes. The MSRP on this is $30. I didn't even put any eyeliner on today. I just completely forgot about that step. Metallic eyeliner. Is there not an actual color? Let me see. Oh, it's 2 of them. I wonder it didn't say color. Out with ye. I am resilient. Alright, and it's kind of a brown metallic color, and this one is REALHER I Am Creative. And it's kind of a blue color. Oh, wow. It is smooth. It is intense. I actually kind of dig it. What do y'all think? I didn't show you the edges of them. That's kind of neat. See about the smudge of it. I actually like them. I'm curious to use these. If I wasn't already running late today, I would just go put them on right now, but very cool. $30 value. Next is Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. A hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E to nourish lips, and formulated with the jojoba oil to heal dry lips and help lock in moisture. MSRP on this one is $16, and it is a new launch. I'm actually kind of glad I'm having the dry lips lately. It's mango and cherry. Let's see. I like that they're doing duos. I feel like I'm getting extra products because I'm getting more than one. So that is super cool. Hydrating lip balms. Yep, very mango-esque. I don't mind it at all. They are going to be a little on the sticky side, but it's a balm. I wanted to see if they had any color to them. Cherry. Very cherry. I like that. The cherry might have a little color to it. I like that. Some cherry on my lips. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love this stuff. Y'all know I love it. Okay. $16 value. Did I say it was a new launch? It's a new launch. The last thing in this box is the Sate London Velvet Lip Liner. Achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. The soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away. The MSRP on this is $18, and it is also a new launch. And they're having a sale all month long. They're supposed to be the best deals of the year. I love Boxycharm. Oh my goodness, you can get such great deals, like name brand products for like 80% off. So good. I love their sales. So this is in Coco Velvet Lip Liner. I love lip liners. Ooh, teeny tiny. Let's just you gotta kind of go over it a lot to get a definition. I don't know that I love this one so much. I mean, you certainly couldn't draw on a lip with this. Oh, look. Boxycharm, take an extra $10 off your order. That's a text I just got. How ironic is that? All right, so lip liner, lip balm, renewing oil, 2 eyeliners, and the OFRA sculpting palette. So I'm pretty pleased with this for my price. What do y'all think? Y'all, my camera just did that quitting thing, and I don't know where I got to. I hope I got all this done, but I want to know what y'all think. What products do you think Boxycharm should send us more? What type of products? What brands? All that stuff. I want to hear y'all's opinion. Comment below. Let me know if you think this was a good box, worth the money or not. Y'all, thanks so much for spending time with me. I would really appreciate it if you push all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really appreciate it. If you want to subscribe to Boxy, don't forget to use my code or use the link below. Don't forget to share with your friends, tell everybody about the channel, press that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. And if you want to donate to your creator, that is me or Miss Callie, however you want to look at it. You can do the super thanks, which is like giving a tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There is a link below for that. Thank you so very much. All proceeds do go to the new studio. Y'all, thank you so very much. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.